Hello, sketchy friends. Are you ready for the next Demon Slayer character? This is Rengoku, and he is on fire. We're gonna draw this guy straight on. So the left side and the right side are almost symmetrical. In this episode, I'm gonna use Photoshop, but you can just as easily follow along using pencil and paper. Let's get started. In this one, I'm gonna draw a line straight down and his chin here, and I'm gonna put the top of his head right here because he's got lots of hair. I'll try to draw a circle. So the left side and the right side should be pretty much the same. And then about here, take the jaw and come down. Not straight up and down. It's at an angle. And the same thing over here. And then this side is gonna be also not straight up and down, no. I'm going to go ahead and erase some of these construction lines that I don't need. And if you need to erase something, pause the video, erase it, and then just catch up. At the very, very center of the head, I'll draw a straight line like that. This is gonna be the top of his eyes. And then about right here, I'll draw another horizontal line. And that's gonna be the bottom of his eyes. Let's put his nose kind of about right here. And then his mouth is close to his nose. We'll put that about right here. I'm just measuring all of the facial features out so that I can get them in the right position. So about the same distance. And his eyes like right here. I'll draw one side of his face and we'll just do the same thing on the other side. Kind of arches up, angles, and then it flattens out right there. Now his eyes are always looking like they're totally surprised because you can see a lot of the white around his eyes. On this side, it flattens out and then it curves up. This is a little bit flat like this, and then it curves. The eyes are almost like a leaf shape, and they come up with a little point right there like that. They get thicker as they get to the outside. His eyebrows start right above his eyes. Follow the same curve here, but then it goes whoop, way up high. This part kind of comes up, matches, and then tapers. But he has a forked eyebrow. And so I'll fork it right here. I'll draw his iris, where the iris is barely touching and there's plenty of space below his eye. And then he's got a red, I think it's like a red pupil. His nose is basically like a little, just like a little P shape, P. And his smile curves up and then it comes up, it goes down like that. And then his bottom lip is basically, you don't see the bottom lip, you just see the shadow. And it looks like that. So let's do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, are you all caught up? If you're not, press pause, catch up, and then we'll get going again. Okay, so you're caught up now. The next thing is to draw his hair. We'll draw one half of his hair first, and then the other half. Just move it down so you can see it a little bit better. There's a little bit of a pointy part here. Let's see how far that is up. And this looks like a little, it's like a curve like this, and then it kind of comes up, kind of like his eyes and his eyebrows. All these similar shapes. And it looks like he's got some more of these flame fringe. So let's do that too. And then we'll do a couple. I'm gonna make him a little more angular, a little thinner. I'm gonna draw his sideburns now. And they basically look like, there's these kind of twisted V's. And then these have, I'll just add some V's in each of these little flames because he's got red tips and then it's yellow. And then underneath this, it'll kind of comes down here it does the same kind of thing, but these are a little bit heavier. There's going to be an S curve like that. It's going to come back. There's going to be a big one here. And it's going to come up. And this is going to go chook, chook, chook. In each of these flames, I'm going to draw a V, V, and then a V. I'll just kind of connect those V's together. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Right here, between his fringe and his sideburns, a little bit of hair, like that. And it's like a little darker roots here. Draw a little M, and then there's his ear. Is the back of his hair, and the back of his hair meets his shoulders. But this is in front of his shoulders. We gotta draw his shoulders and neck and stuff so we know where the hair goes. So let's draw now his neck, and I'm gonna draw his neck just on the inside of his eyes here, like this. And it's gonna come together, and then it kind of comes down. So there's these two shapes like that. And this comes out open like that, and that goes like that. And his shoulder kind of comes around here. See how his shoulder kind of comes like this? And it's got a button right here in the middle. Okay, let's draw some more hair here, and I'm just gonna create a little M shape. And then right on top of that, let's draw the rest of his hair. Like a little flame. But I just realized that these flames here, these ones right here, actually have red tips to them. They're a little bit longer. So let's do that. Let's draw these a little bit longer. And now we can draw, because we have his shoulder, we can draw the hair down to here. And this is super flamey. So I'll draw a smaller flame, and they get a little longer as they get a little closer. And then a bigger flame. And then another flame. And then another flame. Oh, I love this. That's looking super, super cool. Now I can do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to follow along. Oh, so this is Rengoku, and he is looking awesome. Now it's easy for me to darken in my favorite lines by adding a new layer for a black pencil and then reducing the opacity here so I'm not distracted by it. It's just a guide for me. And I'm gonna go super fast. So feel free to stop, pause, or whatever, and then catch up later. Now that I've done all the lines, let's color it in. I'm going to create a new layer underneath the black layer. I usually create selections and then fill them in with gradients. I can also make selections with the lasso tool and adjust their hue, saturation, and brightness to get just the right colors. So that's Rengoku from the Demon Slayer anime series. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Have fun and stay sketchy. See you later.